In this video, I'm going to walk you through installing Dragon NaturallySpeaking. I'm installing it to a copy of Windows in VirtualBox because I don't want to uninstall my actual copy. So the first thing we're going to do is insert the CD into the CD-ROM drive, and if it doesn't boot up automatically, you can just open up My Computer and select it. If you don't have them installed already, Setup will ask you to install .Net and Msxml. So let's actually go ahead and install them first, even though Setup would install them for you. So first we're going to install .Net, and then we will install Msxml. I have user account control turned on here. Usually I have it turned off. All of this stuff is from Nuance, so it's safe. Thanks to the magic of television, you don't actually have to watch these install. Next up, we're going to install Msxml. Now we can run setup.exe. We're going to skip this part. You can just do the typical installation, and that'll be fine. I'm going to go through the custom options. So here we have program files, tutorial files, text-to-speech. If you use that feature, it can read things to you. Also, if you're using Dragon NaturallySpeaking to do voice programming, this is the voice that NetLink will speak in. And here's the speech files. You should pick the one that's for where you're from. Now the Dragon finished installing, we're almost done. If there are updates available, you'll want to get them installed. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Do this later. All finished. From here, all that's left is to activate Dragon, optionally apply one last patch, and create a user profile. We're going to skip the activation step because it has my software key on it. As for that patch, basically it's targeted at Microsoft Office, Mozilla Thunderbird, and Windows 8.1. If you use any of that, then the patch may be worth it for you. If you do want that patch, you can get it by going to Help, check for updates, and then just follow the Dragon installation wizard from there. When creating a profile, there is one thing worth pointing out. Most of the options you can just go with the default. Select whatever applies to you here. This is the screen that you want to pay attention to. If you're planning on doing programming by voice, you want to click on Advanced, and then make sure it hasn't recommended Bestmatch IV to you. I'm running Windows 7 under VirtualBox, and so it doesn't have a whole lot of resources available to it, so it's analyzed that Bestmatch 3 is the best setup for my virtual computer here. Usually, it will recommend Bestmatch 5. Bestmatch 5 is good if you're not programming by voice, but Netlink has issues with Bestmatch 5, so you should really select Bestmatch 4 or below. And medium is fine. Really, all that's left is to follow the setup wizard from here. It's pretty self-explanatory and easy, so I'm not going to go through it. And that's about it.